So, welcome to another episode of Delivering in Oxford for Just Eat, Uber and Deliveroo. Hi guys, accepted a McDonald's order, delivery request through Uber. Just coming into
turn right onto Old Bodley,
McDonald's,
then turn left
Botley.
to stay on Old Bodley.
Botley McDonald's.
Turn left to stay on Old Bodley, then your destination will be on the right.
Just gonna lock the bike up first.
Your
Should be ready. It's gonna be quite a few minutes to get here. So I've arrived. Just gonna send them a text to say that I've arrived. Like that. Okay, just unlock the bike. That's nice and easy. Okay, I didn't record that delivery. I forgot to switch the on button, but it was good delivery, nice and easy. Okay guys, I've got a delivery request for Arts Cafe in the city centre with Deliveroo. It's paying about £3 something. Not quite sure how much exactly, but almost there now. Hopefully it's ready.
turn left onto Bond Square, then your destination will be on the left.
A few minutes to get here. Okay. Oh yeah, alright. Oh, have you got your 2-digit code?
Yeah, it's 94.
94. Brilliant. Thank you. Weather's a bit...
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, it's better for deliveries though on a rainy day, to be honest.
I guess we're busier because people
more
don't
busy.
want to leave their
Yeah,
house, do they?
yeah. So it's definitely better. I don't mind. There's your coffee.
Thank you so
Enjoy
much.
it.
Cheers.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. Okay guys, again a delivery request for gin and juice, £4.17. It looks of it, it's going fairly far in a straight line. I know where gin and juice is. Is that how you say it? Joe and juice, not gin and juice. Gin and juice. So we're coming up to, oh, it looks like they got a fair in here or something. I'll get off here.
Turn left onto Leiden Square, then turn left onto South Arcade.
I presume I've got to get off my bike here. Would have thought so. Okay. wrong way, so maybe up.
Make a U-turn at Speedwell Street, then turn right onto Leiden Square.
Okay, here we go. So that was near enough bloody 4 kilometres for like about £3 something. You tell me if
Turn
that's
right
worth
onto
it.
Middleway, then your destination will be on the left.
Because then I've still got to get back. So that's like 6 kilometres. For easy. For £3 something. Oh yeah. The Joe and the Juice?
Yeah.
Alright, no worries. Oh, have you got your PIN code?
94.
94, thank you. There you go. Alright, enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so I've got a delivery for Greg's through Just Eat.
On Court Market Street towards Golden Cross, then turn right onto Market Street. Turn right onto Market Street, then turn left onto Till Street. Turn left onto Till Street, then turn right onto Broad Street. National Cycle Route 51.
Okay, so I'm delivering to the Atlantic Institute. I think it's something to do with
is on the right.
for emerging economies and fairer trade or something like that. Yeah. Okay. Rome's house. Oh yeah.
Alright.
Parked at Rome's house. Rome's
Yeah.
house.
Yeah. Give it to me and I'll give it to
Oh yeah, no worries. No problem. Yeah, it said deliver to the reception, but I have no idea
you. Yeah, no worries.
where the reception is. I've got one here and there's another one as well. There you go. Just have this for you.
Nice bag.
Oh, thank you. Thank
Anything
you.
else?
That's it, thank you. Have a good day. Cheers. Okay, so I've got another delivery request for Popeyes with Just Eat.
In 200 metres, turn right onto High Street, A420.
Hopefully this is the faster way. Must be. I've got to get there pretty damn quick. Right, Oxford is so busy with people. Even, you know, you've got...
Turn right onto High Street, A420.
Right. I've arrived at Popeyes. Right. Right, arrived. Parked at restaurant. Okay. Oh, it's not busy here. Oh yeah. Got a Just Eat pickup. Says it'd be ready now.
That's breakfast, and I think someone took it already.
What, someone's took it?
Yeah. I think what they've done is they've marked it off,
Yeah.
but then as soon as they got outside, they cancelled it.
Oh right. Oh great. I have to try and cancel this then. So that's definitely been took, that one.
Yeah. Because it's a breakfast one, we're now doing lunch.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Alright. Alright, I'll try and cancel it.
Thank you.
Well guys, you saw that in Popeyes. A driver stole my order and I can't even contact Just Eat, and I'm hanging around here all day because I need to make some money on the other apps. So guys, I'm actually going to set this because I'm not waiting around here trying to contact them when it's not working. It's taking the piss. Not like a charity or whatever. I need to make, I mean, I'm not even making minimum wage, it's a joke. So basically, another driver had stolen the Popeyes delivery, which I was supposed to pick up for Just Eat. So I try and contact Just Eat, and I've try and contact them over and over again, switch the phone off. I don't want that. Don't want it. Don't want it. Anyway, I was saying. So, yeah, I'm going to set that. I just couldn't contact them. I switched the phone off. Tried to contact Just Eat. It just won't go through the messages because there's no signal. But there is signal. So we'll be getting these delivery requests. Are they doing it on purpose? Who knows? And I can't cancel the delivery. So I don't know what's going to happen. But I'm not waiting around there for an hour trying to sort that out. I need to make some money.
Continue straight onto Middle Square, then
There's
turn
no
right to Middle Square.
there's no delivery for me to pick up there. So what am I supposed to do? So anyway, as you can see from the video,
Then turn right onto Turn Again Lane.
as you can see from the video, anyway, I have video proof. Still not working. These messages from bloody June. I cannot contact them. What am I supposed to do? I'm standing around there all day. Okay. Well, at least I got an order. I don't know what's going to happen with the Just Eat thing.
Turn right onto Oxman's Road, A420, then turn left.
Okay. Okay, it's got to go this way. So what's probably going to happen with that Just Eat delivery I did, I'm still doing the Deliveroo one by the way, is they're probably going to blame me for stealing the order. Well, I got video proof that, it wasn't me. That took it, well, got it from the woman who works in Popeye. I mean, they should have bloody cancelled that delivery. Smith. Right. Well, I've never been over this bridge before. Interesting. Apparently it's like 10 kilometres by car route and 3 kilometres by me bike route. That's what I was getting on Google anyway, so.
In 200 metres, slide right.
I don't know what, this looks like the River Thames I'm going along now. Maybe I'm using the wrong.
Turn left onto South Street, then South Street
So this
turns
is the-
right and becomes West Street.
So this is the River Thames. I've really got to sort that Just Eat thing out. It's so frustrating. I reckon they're going to think I've stolen the order. I mean, even though I've got proof on video, which I'm going to put on YouTube. So hopefully they don't close my account down. That's so frustrating. So some driver's got me now and stole it. They're thinking it's probably
South Street turns right and becomes West Street, then turn left onto Swan Street.
the driver thinking it's me when it isn't. So I'm the one who's probably going to get the blame for it. And I can't contact Just Eat. How
Turn left onto Swan Street.
so frustrating. I just can't get through to them. What am I supposed to do? Just stand there all day? I need to make money. I'm not even making minimum wage, it's a joke.
In 300 metres, slide left.
That's an interesting route this. Never done this route before. Oh. Not the fastest route. Oh, this is a seriously interesting route.
Sharp right, then turn left.
I don't know if I'm supposed to be going. Oh yeah, down that way. Expects me to take my bike through there. How am I supposed to get my bike through there, eh? Get there eventually. Is it here? Oh yeah, the delivery order?
Yeah, thank you.
Brilliant. Oh, do you have the code? 56. Brilliant, thank you very much. There you go. Well, I could have probably took a much quicker route, but for some reason it took me on some bizarre route around loads of paths, yeah. Because the road's closed, yeah. But in reality, I can be a lot quicker on there. But yeah, not well. No one's fault apart from who knows the app maybe. All right, cheers, thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Okay, it's Just Eat thing is working again now, and it's looks like it's cancelled that order. There's a highlighted thing. Don't know what it is. Oh, I got another order on Just Eat. Let's hopefully no one steals it this time. Right, what is it? Breakfast Club, I know where that is. 11:54. Possibly can get there in time. I know I can. Right, let's do it.
Turn right onto La Marche Road, then turn left to stay on La Marche Road. Turn right onto Bodley Road, A420. Continue on Bodley Road for 800 metres.
Bit of a walk to the Breakfast Club. That's the only thing. Right. Breakfast Club collection. Okay, so that's a delivery request for the Breakfast Club. I've got to go along the Thames.
Slide left
And it's
onto
for £10
Rose
something,
Place,
so
then
it's
turn
like
right onto St Albans.
3.6 kilometres away now, according to the maps, along the Thames. Right, so this is where I go onto the Thames in a second.
Turn left.
Right. Oh, that's it there. Yeah. Up and right. Right.
In 200 metres, sharp right onto Mill Lane.
Looks like I've actually got to go over a lock. I probably should have gone over. Probably should have gone over the bridge. Oh, something going on there. Right. Crime investigator. Oh. Oh yeah, your breakfast? No worries. Okay. Right, careful, I think there's some drinks at the bottom. So.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, so that Breakfast Club order looked like it was in one piece.
In 200 metres, turn right.
And it looks like the fastest way back for me is way cut basically, back along the Thames. I've got all the apps on now. Actually, just put Hungry Panda on, shouldn't I? I've not had one delivery request on that yet. I don't quite understand it. Right. This is all the Thames, I think. So it's definitely a ride back along the Thames. I know that. Thames National Trail. Right. The Thames.
Turn right.
Right. Right. Oh. And back across here. Oh. So this is the River Thames National Trail along here, which I've done before.
There is no weapon for version against someone who is
Along with Jack.
Ma non devi ordinare.
the name of Jesus that shall surpass everything.
In 50 meters, slide right onto National Cycle Route 51. Slide right onto National Cycle Route 51, then slide left onto Magdalen Street.
This is the moment we waited for. Everything want is right here. We gon' give them what they came for. We gon' take it up from last year. Shoot on my shot, boy, I'm long range. Me and the team on the same thing. Stayed down, never switched up. Only thing changed was the game. I'm in the zone now. Nothing can change what we on now. When I pull up, know it's going down. Foot on the gas, ain't no slowing down. Aiming for greatness, no settling. Kick down the doors, they won't let me in. Taking no else, yeah, I gotta win. Watch me kick down the doors, they won't let me in. Who running the game now? Foot on the gas, can slow down. No, my team, we holding it down. We know we running it now. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change, yeah.
Oh, hiya. Yeah, because it said 279B,
Yeah, no,
and it was.
yes, it's A, B, and C there. So which
Cause-
this one it's supposed to be B. Yeah. I did the stated B.
Oh, but
Yeah, no.
no worries,
sorry,
no worries. I got there in the end anyway,
worries.
so no problem, mate. That's cool. All right.
That's
Those
why
were.
once when I ordered,
Yeah.
they put it inside.
Oh, really?
So yeah. And I couldn't find it by the way.
Oh, it went cold, I bet as well. Yeah. I don't like leaving food on its own when it
Yeah.
just goes cold.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Have a lovely
Have a nice day. Right. So I've got a Sainsburys delivery request. Delivery.
Meters, turn right onto Battery Road.
It's actually my first pickup in Summertown.
Turn right onto
Oh, there
Battery
it is.
Road, then your destination
Right.
will be on the right.
Across here. Right, arrived. Can guarantee it's for cigarette, some kind of booze, cigarettes, or energy drink, or something like that. Maybe I should get some food while I'm here. Meal deal or something. When they're flying as standard. Good to see. Hi, yeah, I've got your Sainsbury's delivery.
Yes,
Do you have your code?
yeah, it's 20.
20, brilliant, brilliant.
Perfect.
Just get your Sainsbury's delivery. There you go. Thank you.
so
Have a
much.
nice day.
You too,
Cheers.
bye.
Bye. Okay, so got another Sainsbury's delivery from Summertown, suburb of Oxford. got to put the fish back in a little while, but I was gonna finish the book off this morning, but I got to get a photocopy of it. But I can do it. I'll do it next time. But I'm gonna hand you the.
Onto Banbury Road, then turn left at Lovelace Road.
Well, the last Sainsburys delivery was an ID.
Turn right onto Kirk Close, then turn right to stay on Kirk Close.
So, get the glasses ready. Right. Oh yeah, I got your Sainsburys delivery.
Yeah.
Have you got the 2-digit code?
22.
I'll just get your order. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
You
Cheers.
too.
Bye. Okay, that was a nice, easy delivery. And I have to say, it's really busy on the. It is busy today. But I still don't think I've made minimum wage, unfortunately, because there's been a few hiccups, not down to my fault, just waiting times and one of my deliveries being stolen. Oh, a bomb squad or something. NHS, like a bomb squad car or something.
Turn left onto Queen Street, then your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the...
Uber. Oh yeah, that's probably mine. Not stolen this time, then. No, that's really annoying, isn't it?
Then you have all the people come up and go, oh, there's something wrong. No.
And then the app would think, oh, well, I've stolen it or something.
exactly.
Like, yeah, that's what I heard about.
It's never busy on a Monday. I don't know why it is today.
I might come on Wednesday, after later.
Okay, so I've got a double pickup. But the map just went off and it's just like start delivery. I haven't even picked it up yet, mate. Do you know what I mean? Not even there. Right, I can park my bike over there. battery change.
Slide left onto the...
Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. I do not gamble, but bet on me. Tell them that's life, yeah, it's still la vie. I'm taking a shot for my enemies. I can't waste no more time on my energy. I know they know I got it on lock. Go against me, that's a long shot. Cause I'm counting wins.
Oh, tortilla, that's it now. I've got 2 deliverers, so just checking. I can get someone in the back here. Right, cool. Yep. Cool, mate. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. Cheers. I saw 33. I was just trying to find, what was it, 35, is it? Oh, no worries. Anyway, got there in the end. No problem. Sorry about that. Oh, do you have a pin code there?
0598, is that right?
Okay, cheers.
He's in the middle of interview.
Oh,
Yeah.
no worries. There you go. Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much. Cheers, mate. You too. Bye. So guys, this is what I got to eat today on my delivery round. Not had one of these in ages, but hey, what the heck.
Your destination is on the left.
So no... Right. Okay, so I've got a delivery request for Co-op at Brooks University.
In 300 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit.
The order for oh, I can't remember what it was now. Sorry, Deliveroo. Yep. Oh, have you got the 2-digit code?
62.
62. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much. Cheers. Have a nice day.
Your destination is on the left. In 300 metres, turn right onto National Cycle Route 5, Woodstock Road.
Another Sainsburys delivery from Summertown. Doing quite well with the Summertown deliveries today. Oh, do you have your 2G code? 77. Brilliant, thank you. And yeah, makes it a lot easier.
Especially that hill.
Oh yeah, definitely. Have a nice day. Thank you, mate. Now I think I'm heading towards the train station. Might pick up another order. I've not really got time. What time is it? 3:24. I know where I am now. Sainsburys delivery? Oh, brilliant. Just put arrived. Oh, have you got a 2-digit code? 667. Oh, sorry. 79. Okay, no worries. Brilliant. Thank you. Let's get your shopping. There's one. Got another bag in the other bags. Don't worry, there is another one. There you go. There you go, have a nice day. Cheers, no worries. Bye. Will I make the train station today? I think I might do. Still got to get up the stairs and in the left. Let's see. Cancelled. Oh, great.